Hello, and welcome to Fluent Slowly. In this video, we will practice slow and simple English together. Please listen carefully and repeat after me. Let's begin. I wake up early. I wake up early. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I take a shower. I take a shower. I eat my breakfast. I eat my breakfast. I drink water. I drink water. I feel good today. I feel good today. Good. Let's continue. I go to work. I go to work. I go to school. I go to school. I use my phone. I use my phone. I talk to people. I talk to people. I learn English every day. I learn English every day. Very good. Keep going. I finish my work. I finish my work. I go back home. I go back home. I feel relaxed at home. I feel relaxed at home. I sit quietly. I sit quietly. I take a deep breath. I take a deep breath. I enjoy a calm evening. I enjoy a calm evening. I spend time with my family. I spend time with my family. I put my phone away. I put my phone away. I feel peaceful now. I feel peaceful now. My day is ending. My day is ending. I prepare for sleep. I prepare for sleep. I close my eyes slowly. I close my eyes slowly. I rest my body. I rest my body. I feel safe and calm. I feel safe and calm. Nice, you're doing very well. Let's continue. I speak English calmly. I speak English calmly. I speak English clearly. I speak English clearly. I am not afraid to speak. I am not afraid to speak. Making mistakes is okay. Making mistakes is okay. I learn from my mistakes. I learn from my mistakes. I improve little by little. I improve little by little. I trust the process. I trust the process. I practice every day. I practice every day. My English is getting better. My English is getting better. I feel more confident now. I feel more confident now. I enjoy speaking English. I enjoy speaking English. I am doing my best. I am doing my best. Very good. You did something special today. You didn't rush. You didn't give up. You chose to practice slowly. Every slow sentence you spoke today is building your English quietly, gently, day by day. You don't need to be perfect. You only need to come back. Tomorrow, we will practice again with new sentences, new confidence, and the same calm pace. This is Fluent Slowly. Rest now, and I'll see you in the next practice.